Hi and welcome to my mess. This is a solenoid valve I removed from my washing machine because it was getting stuck in the closed position, which actually is a better thing than it being stuck in the open position. Well, it's probably dirty inside, but I wanted to take a look. I also have a new camera, so we shouldn't have focus problems anymore. I also have a new light, but as you can see, well, LED light and glass, it's not the best combination. Okay, this is a two-way valve. The water comes in here, and if this coil is energized, if this solenoid is energized, it goes out here to wash. This is to rinse. I don't know how to open it, of course, but let's try. I probably have to squeeze all of those pins together and just hope for the best, and if it doesn't work, then maybe just cut them out. Or maybe I should, as I don't plan to reuse it, maybe I will cut it now. First let's try with a knife. Yeah, it works. I hope this is the right way to open it. I mean to squeeze it or to remove it. If not, we'll try something else. Come on, the last one doesn't want to be removed. Okay, so it doesn't want to come off now. But I believe it should. Maybe I should use some force here to pry it open. Or maybe not. Okay, well, if you opened it before, then you might be laughing at my attempts now. But I'm doing it for the first time. Yeah, this was the right way. Just had to use some more force. I said I won't have focus problems anymore. Okay. So this is just a solenoid. Nothing really interesting here. This part is interesting. Will it react to a strong magnet? This is a strong magnet. Well, it sticks. Doesn't really react. So let's open it. And actually, I have no idea how to open it. I will put my magnet away. Oh. Okay, so it's easier than I anticipated. Okay, what do we have here? There's some chamber. The water comes in here. Yeah, so the water comes in here. It goes through this opening. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, okay, I said I won't have focus problems. Oh, I don't. It comes out here, and then there is a rubber here, and then it goes here and to the washing machine. Okay, I just squeezed some water out. Okay, so well, I don't know why did it block, to be honest. I thought it would be dirty. It's not really dirty. But maybe we can insert it again. And okay, it doesn't want to be inserted. And try to energize it, so maybe we'll see how it really works. Maybe there's some blockage inside or something. Okay, and now I need some power. Well, this is not the safest way to do it, but well, I hope it's for 230 volts. If not, it will just explode. Okay, I hope it won't splash my camera. Let's energize it. Okay, so it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to be pulled. Well, so here's the problem, probably. Unless it's, I don't know. Well, let's disassemble. It came off just like that. Here's some. Okay, so maybe if I energize it now, maybe it will work. Okay, it did work even better than I thought it will. I'm using a foot switch to power it, and I have some other security measures here. Let's block it this way. Okay, it doesn't want to. Okay, so it has. Okay, you know what? So maybe because it doesn't want to be pulled now, and now it does. So maybe it just has to be. It's getting warm. Maybe it's normal. It probably has to be put. No. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's just the water pressure that pushes it. I don't know how it works. If you have any ideas, you can drop them in the comments. Or maybe I will just watch some other video about it to actually know what I'm doing. But yeah, how does this look like? There's some membrane and some plastic something. And there's a hole in here. Yeah, but to be honest, I don't know how it works. And oh, I think I know how it works. Okay, I know how it works. Okay, so it's this part that does the sealing. There is a rubber here, as you can see. There is a hole in here. So the water probably, yeah, the water flows here because there are some tiny holes here. It goes here. Yeah, that's why this is sealed. It goes here, but is blocked by this part, this pin. And when this part is pulled by the solenoid, then the water can happily go through this tiny hole. So maybe the blockage was just because this hole was dirty. Maybe there was some, I don't know, some crap there. Let's open this one and let's see how it differs. It probably doesn't. It's probably exactly the same. If I hurt myself, at least you will have it on video. Maybe I can just cut it this way. Maybe it will be. It's way safer this way. Okay, let's remove it as well. Somehow. This is crazy. I can't really insert the screwdriver here. Yeah, I can. Now it should. And now let's unscrew it as well. Okay, we need. Yeah, there's water here. There is water here, but it's not that dirty. No, it's exactly the same as the other one. So my bet is that one of those holes got stuck, even if it's not. Well, I can see it's okay. It's not blocked. And this is just a metal rod and a spring. There is a spring here. Here's a spring, so it springs back. Well, you can make a coil gun with it. Let's try the other one as well. And doing it so it will fit easier. Okay, there's a spring here. Or maybe we can try it without the spring. No, it doesn't make any sense without the spring. So let's just connect power here. Can you see it here? With the spring alone, well, it pulls the spring somehow. If I put it the other way, yeah. And if I put it in the correct way, well, it's interesting that it isn't really buzzing now. And if I insert it, well, it does the buzzing. Alright, well, that's it. That's the solenoid valve from my washing machine. Nothing really interesting, but I wanted to see it inside and I wanted to test the camera. By the way, this is a door opening mechanism in my washing machine. I had to cut this part off because, well, this is this plastic part broke. As you can see, it has another part there. So you cannot see it probably. No, maybe you can. Yeah, this plastic part pulls on this metal part, and this plastic part that's there in the background just broke. And no, I wasn't trying to pull on it while the door lock was engaged. Well, maybe it's time to buy a new washing machine, but you know, I don't like throwing things out when they can be fixed, and this part can be bought. This whole part can be bought, but I didn't buy it, so it is how it is. It works, but yeah, I had to cut this out to open the door and take my clothes out. Thanks for watching.